Hello, my name is Caitlin Mills, and I am the representative of a pharmaceutical company that has developed a new drug to better treat those diagnosed with schizophrenia. While this company already has a similar drug in production, they asked me to design a research study to determine the effectiveness of the new drug as compared to the one already being manufactured. Therefore, I stand before you today to present this proposed research study and thank you for your time in advance. The first step in developing a research study requires choosing between non-experimental or experimental research designs. Non-experimental research is based on prediction and is too vague to implement in our concrete study. While non-experimental designs can be descriptive or correlational, they don't show cause and effect as experimental studies do. Since we are looking for definitive show of effectiveness in comparison of both drugs, I've decided to use an experimental design. Experimental research was chosen because its main focus is to provide an explanation based on scientific fact. However, quasi-experimental design will be used in this instance as we want our participants to feel they are a natural part of operational reporting measurements. The purpose of our study is to determine and explain whether the new drug is more effective than the drug currently in production. Experimental research design is being used because it allows conclusions to be drawn about relationships between the two drugs. It is also the most powerful form of research, as the researcher has the ability to control all variables of the experiment with certainty. The experiment will involve 20 participants, 10 of which will be currently taking the drug already in production and be known as the control group. The other 10 participants will be prescribed the new drug as the experimental group. In order to find participants in our study, we will contact hospitals and specialists in the study of mental illness, who will then extend the offer to participate to their patients and contact us. Each group will then be prescribed the same amount of medication and data will be collected. The data collection will be in the form of a weekly check-in. This will include a survey of questions regarding the participants' feelings or perceptions of wellness caused by the drug. These participants will also be given a routine checkup to measure and compare any changes occurring both internally and externally based on the drug they are given. All data will be recorded and compared throughout and at the end of the study. Converging operations, including behavioral, physiological, and self-report measurements, will be used to analyze all data collected. The student's t-test will then be used to compare mean group differences statistically. Our main goal is to produce the most effective drug possible in regards to the treatment of schizophrenia. I hope you agree and support this experimental research design. Thank you again for your time.